The following is an overview demonstration of Workday Adaptive Planning's capabilities in support of membership and event planning for nonprofit organizations. Most nonprofit organizations, including associations, have unique membership and event planning requirements. Within Workday Adaptive Planning, your organization will be able to forecast membership fees, event ticketing, service offerings, and other revenue-generating activities. For example, Adaptive Planning dashboards provide dynamic visual insight into any critical planning area, including projected membership revenue trends, new member metrics, planned attrition, event information, and association revenue metrics. These dashboards provide the ability for users to perform powerful visual analysis by any required element. In this example, understanding projected membership revenue by member type. Workday Adaptive Planning's powerful modeling sheets enable organizations to model out and analyze any critical planning area at any detail required. For example, your organization will be able to plan for projected membership revenue using drivers or data required. In this example, we're planning revenue by member types by quickly adjusting annual anticipated new members at the annual level and then spreading that proportionally across our fiscal months. The multidimensional behavior of adaptive planning allows for deeper insight into this membership data. Powerful drag and drop pivot capabilities facilitate different ways of viewing and planning for this information. As required, your organization will be able to capture and plan for any type of membership detail, which will facilitate powerful slice and dice analytics. This data can be captured at any level within your organization. Any other revenue-generating activities can be powerfully planned for as well. In this example, event revenue and related costs are planned for it at a detailed level, including capturing the event name, location, date, projected attendance, as well as average attendee fee and cost. Because Workday Adaptive Planning's data changes are dynamic, your organization's required financial statements, operating summaries, metrics, reports, and dashboards will be automatically updated for further analysis. As a recap, with Workday Adaptive Planning's powerful membership and event planning capabilities, your organization will be able to gain immediate insight into your critical performance indicators and data. This will enable timely scenario analysis for faster, accurate decisions.